Fairy circles. It's not good. The fuck's a fairy circle? Oh, really? That's concerning. I would be weirded out about circles in nature just naturally appearing too. It's like maybe circles are a natural phenomena. The goddamn trip kids are at it again. I can't keep doing this. They're gonna keep getting the superstitious kids. And the willfully ignorant kids to keep going back and forth. And you know how much this pisses me off. Stop encouraging them. Do you know how mushrooms reproduce? Do you know what a spore is, or how a mushroom bursts in order to distribute its spores in a non-windy area? What shape are mushrooms typically? Enlighten me, please.